PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, is a thermoplastic polymer found in plastic bottles, food containers, and other packaging. PET is known for its clarity, durability, and recyclability. Through recent advances in technology, at Spradling we can now use recycled PET, which is made by shredding, melting, and then remoulding used PET products. This recycled PET, or RPET, marks a significant reduction in the energy needed to produce virgin PET resin, thus conserving resources and reducing carbon emissions. At Spradling, we're excited about RPET in the backing of our fabrics because it's kinder to the environment in several key ways. It avoids crude oil extraction, diverts waste from landfills, requires less energy to make, and increases resource efficiency through a circular model. For every metre of fabric produced, 12 plastic bottles are recycled. Consumers can contribute to the recycling of PET bottles by participating in recycling programmes and choosing to consume products made from recycled materials whenever possible. This is just one way that we are looking to reduce our impact on the environment for the long run.